Okay, hello again. Welcome to the Life of Chai. We're looking at a few of the last remaining flowers on this plant, Asclepias species, commonly known as milkweed. These are a couple of the last flowers. Of course, there's a lot of seed pods. We can see that, a lot of seed pods, very few flowers and very few leaves. What happened to this plant? Well, if you don't know, I'll tell you. This is what happened. The plant Asclepias milkweed is this particular variety is native to Mexico, and it's the host plant for the monarch butterfly to lay its eggs on this plant. There are actually about 130 species of Asclepias between Mexico and Canada, so when the butterfly is en route, it has something to feed on. I planted the plant so that we are in the path of the highway of the monarchs in their migration toward Michoacan, toward the pine forest. I planted this plant on purpose because I saw the monarchs, and the other day, after seeing some monarchs, I counted almost 30 caterpillars on the plant. Okay, the life cycle of this butterfly, the butterfly will lay an egg on the plant, and it hatches within about 4 days. The caterpillar emerges, and the caterpillar is what's called the feeding stage. There's 3 stages in the life of the life cycle of the butterfly. There's 3 stages. The first stage is the feeding stage. They all seem to be sleeping right now, so they're not really moving. And in this stage, these caterpillars will actually molt or shed their skin 5 times. The little baby caterpillar sheds its skin, and that actually eats it. Gets a little bigger, sheds its skin, eats it, gets a little bigger, sheds its skin, eats it each time. And the interval between these molts is called an instar. It's 5 instars. And then the caterpillar will look for a spot, usually on the underside of a leaf, or here's another one. Let me move the camera to a different one. So the caterpillar will find a spot, usually on the underside of a leaf or a branch, and it will create a chrysalis. This is the pupal stage, and it stays in the chrysalis stage. It takes about 14 days, and then a butterfly emerges. In that chrysalis stage, there's some dormant cells within the caterpillar that actually turn into wings. So the life cycle of a butterfly, from caterpillar to butterfly, is actually what's known as a complete metamorphosis. It changes from one thing to another. Anyway, I just thought I would share this with you. This plant, they're all about the same size now. I started with about 30 of these guys, and they all got big pretty quick. Looks like they're going to sleep because they're all, you can see some in there. Kind of hard to bring it in. I see a couple right there. 3 of them. But anyway, they just had a field day with this plant. It was full of green leaves about a week ago, and this is all that's left. Thank you for joining me, The Life of Chai, life cycle of the monarch butterfly. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.